Did you know Mars, our neighboring planet, got its nickname the Red Planet from its reddish appearance? Now you might be wondering, what makes Mars red? The answer lies in its surface, which is coated with a generous layer of iron oxide. Yes, that's right. Iron oxide, better known to you and me as rust. This rust isn't a result of neglect or disuse, but a natural occurrence due to the planet's iron-rich rocks and dust. When exposed to oxygen and water, these elements trigger a reaction that results in the red, rust-like substance. It's this rust that reflects sunlight, casting a reddish glow that can be seen from our home planet, earning Mars its vibrant nickname. So let's take a moment to appreciate this celestial spectacle. The next time you gaze up at the night sky and spot that distinctive red glow, remember, you're not just looking at a planet. You're looking at a world that's literally rusting in space. Mars boasts of two moons, Phobos and Deimos, discovered back in 1877. These celestial companions of Mars were brought to our attention by the American astronomer Asaph Hall, and they've been fascinating us ever since. Compared to the moon we're familiar with here on Earth, Phobos and Deimos are much smaller. In fact, they're so tiny that they resemble more of asteroids than true moons. This has led some scientists to speculate that they were once wandering asteroids, snared by Mars's gravitational pull and transformed into moons. Phobos, the larger of the two, is about 17 miles in diameter, while Deimos measures only about 9 miles across. Despite their small size, these moons have a big impact on Mars. Phobos, for instance, orbits so close to Mars that it goes around the planet 3 times a day. 2 moons, twice the lunar beauty, wouldn't you agree? Imagine a day slightly longer than ours. That's what a Martian day feels like. Now let's dive into the details. A day on Mars, or as it's scientifically known, a sol, lasts approximately 24.6 hours. Yes, you heard it right. A Martian day is just over 24 hours, nearly identical to our Earth day. However, there is a slight difference. A Martian day is about 40 minutes longer than an Earth day. That's almost like pressing the snooze button on your alarm one more time, having that little bit of extra time to finish off a task, or simply to enjoy the mesmerizing Martian sunset. Isn't that something to ponder about? Living on Mars would mean adjusting our earthly time by an additional 40 minutes every day. Mars's atmosphere is far thinner than ours, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, a fascinating yet challenging aspect of the red planet. This thin atmosphere, with traces of nitrogen and argon, barely wraps Mars like a thin blanket. It's a stark contrast to our Earth, where the atmosphere is rich and dense, a life-sustaining blend of nitrogen, oxygen, and more. So how does Mars's atmospheric pressure stack up against Earth's? Well, it's about 0.6% of Earth's atmospheric pressure. To put it in perspective, that's less than 1%. It's like comparing the weight of a feather to a bowling ball. This thin atmosphere doesn't just have implications for potential life on Mars, but also for landing spacecraft. The thin atmosphere provides less friction, making the landing process a delicate dance of precision and control. Breathing on Mars, not as easy as it sounds. So, if you're planning a trip, don't forget your spacesuit. The tallest volcano in the solar system isn't on Earth, it's on Mars. That's right, folks, the title goes to Olympus Mons, a towering volcanic behemoth that stands about 13.6 miles high. Imagine, that's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, Earth's highest peak. This Martian giant isn't just tall, it's also incredibly wide, spanning a distance comparable to the size of the state of Arizona. Olympus Mons is what we call a shield volcano, meaning it has grown so large because of repeated, slow lava flows over millions of years. The size of this volcano is so immense that it's a challenge for scientists to fully comprehend it. It's like trying to grasp the concept of the universe itself. It's a testament to the grand scale of our solar system, and a reminder of how much there is to discover beyond our own planet. The Grand Canyon is grand, but Mars's Valles Marineris is grander. As we journey further into the depths of Mars, we encounter Valles Marineris, a canyon system that stretches over 2,500 miles long. To put that into perspective, it's as if you took the distance from New York to Los Angeles and added a few hundred miles more. This Martian canyon isn't just long, it's deep too, dwarfing our Earth's Grand Canyon in comparison. Imagine a chasm so deep that if Mount Everest was placed at the bottom, the peak would still be well below the rim. It's a breathtaking sight that truly emphasizes the grandeur of the red planet. Valles Marineris is a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of Mars, a natural spectacle that leaves even the grandest of Earth's landscapes in the shadows. It's a reminder of the stunning and diverse geographical features that await us beyond our home planet. Water on Mars? Yes, there might be. This may sound like a sci-fi movie plot, but it's a scientific hypothesis grounded in reality. Mars, known for its dry, desert-like surface, might not be as arid as it seems. Evidence suggests that liquid water may exist in small amounts below the planet's surface. Imagine a subterranean reservoir, hidden beneath the Martian soil, away from the harsh, dry world above. This revelation raises an intriguing question. Could there be life on Mars? If water exists, it opens up the possibility of microbial life. Life, as we know it, requires water. So if there's water on Mars, even in tiny amounts, could Martian microbes be lurking in the depths? This tantalizing prospect continues to fuel our exploration and understanding of the Red Planet. It's an enigma wrapped in a riddle, a seemingly barren world that might just harbor life. Mars, a planet that has been the center of numerous exploration missions. The journey to unravel the mysteries of the Red Planet began with Mariner 4 in the mid-60s, but the real explorers of Mars have been the rovers. Spirit and Opportunity, the twin rovers that landed in 2004, roamed the Martian surface for years, sending back valuable data. They were followed by the most famous rover, Curiosity, which is still operational today, continually providing new insights about Mars's geology and climate. And let's not forget the latest addition to the Martian rover's Perseverance, that landed in early 2021 with a mission to search for signs of ancient microbial life. These rovers, acting as our eyes and ears on Mars, have revolutionized our understanding of the Red Planet. Mars is a planet of extremes, especially when it comes to temperatures. This is primarily due to its thin atmosphere, which doesn't retain heat like our Earth does. As a result, the temperature on Mars can fluctuate wildly. Imagine, if you will, a world where the temperature near the poles can drop to a bone-chilling negative 195 degrees Fahrenheit during the harsh Martian winter. But that's not all. Even as Mars freezes in its polar regions, the equatorial territories can experience a balmy 70 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. It's a land of contrasts, where the same planet can host both the frostiest winters and the mildest summers. This extreme temperature variation presents unique challenges for future exploration and potential habitation. Yet it also adds to the allure of the Red Planet, a world so unlike our own, yet so tantalizingly within reach. Mars is not just a planet, but a potential second home for humanity. Over the past few decades, the allure of the Red Planet has grown exponentially, sparking the interest of both space agencies and private enterprises worldwide. With its rich geological history and potential for life, Mars stands as a beacon, a new frontier for human exploration and possibly colonization. Ambitious plans are already in motion to make such a vision a reality. We are witnessing an era where companies like SpaceX are designing mammoth rockets, with the sole aim of ferrying humans to this distant world. Space agencies are not far behind either, with NASA's Artemis program aiming to use the moon as a stepping stone for Mars. The challenges are immense, from surviving the harsh Martian climate to ensuring a sustainable supply of food and water. But as history has shown, when humanity sets its sights on something, the impossible becomes possible. Mars is in reality our neighbor and can be our future. The exploration continues. As we wrap up our journey through the Martian landscape, it's crucial to remember that Mars is just one small part of an incredibly vast and complex universe. A universe that we are just beginning to understand. Every day we are uncovering new secrets, challenging our understanding and expanding our horizons. We are living in an era of discovery and exploration, an era where every one of us can participate in this grand adventure. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of Mars, why not join us as we explore the rest of the cosmos? We have a universe of knowledge to share with you, and we're just getting started. So if you're as fascinated by the universe as we are, make sure to subscribe for more mind-blowing facts as we continue on to other planets. Together we can learn more about our cosmos, one video at a time.